All right, here we are at the landing page creator. I just wanted to take a few minutes and go through this with you because everybody who jumps in with us today is going to get a copy of this, unlimited use, and we're going to give you like 25 templates that are going to get you jump started with creating these templates, with these landing pages rather. So let's check this out real quick. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over here and you can either do one of two things. You can either open up a template that's pre-built, or you can just start dragging elements onto the canvas. So let's just go ahead and do that first. Let's click on headers and let's do one for a car company. So we can see that we just drag that out there and it does a lot of things here for us. And so let's kind of build one out. Let's put in an intro right here. Let's do something like this. And then we can come over here and we can do some content. Maybe we'll do one of these things down here. You can see that it builds the content. And then let's put a footer in here. So let's go down to the footer. You can see we have like subscription forms, contact forms, all kinds of stuff in here. But let's go ahead and put a, let's go ahead and do this. Okay. So basically we've got kind of a pre-built form now. Now what we can do is we can come in here and we can choose either elements, content, or details to change all this stuff around. So let me show you how that works. So let's go over here to details first. And basically when we come down here, we can change the style of everything. Or we can come down here, we can change the content. So we can change all of this just by typing over it. So basically you can say via us. And then if, for instance, if you don't like this car here, you want to change this out, then basically what you can do is you can come over here to the content, or I'm sorry, the details here. And you can come over here to this image, and you can see that this is the intro car. You can select any image you want, upload it, and it will put it in place right here. Now, for instance, if you want to change something by hand, you can even do that too. Because if you go here under elements, what you're going to find is that you can jump into the source. And if you're kind of a coder, you can actually jump in here and just do anything you want in here. Then you can just save it out. And so you can come over here, you can change the company logo by uploading your image right here. You can do all kinds of stuff here. And you can even change all the form information. So for instance, if you want to come over here, you can change the content here. So you can get the full course for free. You can change that. You can come over here to the details, and when you click on the details, all of a sudden you can change this right here. So watch this, name, enter your, instead of full name, we'll just put your name here. So you can apply the changes right here, and you can add new fields in here. So I can just add a new field in here and say add your last name. And let's apply these changes. Now we can edit anything that we want in here. You see how that works right there? So we can go ahead and remove that. Sure you want to remove it? Yes. Now we're just back to enter your name. So there's a ton of stuff that you can do in here that'll make your life a lot easier. Here's a way that you can embed a video. You can change this image out. You can change all this text to anything you want. You can change the style, anything like that. And then, for instance, if you come down here and you're like, don't really like that, come down here to elements. You can remove just that section. You see that? So everything in here is like, you don't have to know any code. You can just get in here. You can drag and drop it around, update it, change it. It's pretty cool. So let me get rid of everything that's on this page right here and show you what it looks like when you open up a template. So basically anything you build on here you can save. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and let's choose shop. So you can import the file right here, and what it's going to do is it's going to import all the settings, all the parameters, everything that we use to build this. And you can start with this as just a template. And so basically you can see that it built this entire beautiful page for you right here, and then all you have to do is jump in here and start editing the content. All right, so you can save this off. You can see it's my great content, and if you want to preview it, it looks even better in real life. Let me show you what it looks like. See that? See how it's all parallax? So there's lots of super nice things we built into this for you. You can edit this, subscribe. You can. We've integrated several different email systems in here so that you can manage this really easily. But it's It's all responsive, of course. Everything that we do is responsive, so it just makes it super nice to be able to get around and do this. And say, for instance, you're ready to export this, and you want to take this page and make it live. You can export this, and you can integrate it with MailChimp, with Campaign Monitor, or Get Response, or you can just do a simple email. So you can say me@mycompany.com from website. And then you can put in your CAPTCHA key if you want to. We've got that integrated as well. And so once you do this, you can export it, and it'll come to a page here where it'll basically put everything into a zip file. Let me save this off to my downloads folder, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. So I've already done that before. So let me show you what the contents look like, because this is pretty sick. So basically, this is what you get. See how it's an index file, and it has all of the assets that go along with it? You can literally just drop this into a folder on your website, and you're done. You get exactly what it looks like in the preview. So it'll look just like this when you're done, kind of a thing. So you can totally customize it, super easy. And to make it a little bit easier, I've prepared some instructions right here, so you can jump in here and you can read all about all the different things that you can do. I've created illustrations. I've created some videos in here. This one right here is on how to edit and customize all the pop-up windows that come up, so that you can have pop-up forms and alerts and things like that. Here's how to set up your forms, how to integrate with all the email systems, how to add new fields to forms. I've created a video there because it makes it a little bit easier, and how to integrate your CAPTCHA so that it looks like this. I'm not a robot. So there's a ton of cool stuff in here. I could go on and on, but basically what I wanted to show you is just how easy it is to build all of these different items in here just by dragging and dropping. For instance, if we want a map in here, we just create a map. Boom, we're done. And then, of course, the pop-up button right here is going to show you the map. So anyway, I don't want to go on too much longer because we're kind of tight on time right now. But basically, everybody who jumps in is going to have unlimited access to this. So you can build as many landing pages as you want. You can export them. You can save off the templates. You can reload them at any time in the future. It's totally customizable, and you get all upgrades for free as well. So anyway, that is the landing page builder. All right, Todd, so let's jump back into the presentation.